Welcome to Miss Gussie's place.
Hello, my friends. Let's go pay a visit to old MacDonald's farm. Come on, let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, a moo moo there, a moo everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, a cluck cluck there, cluck cluck everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a root here, a root there, root everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, a quack quack there, quack everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here, a oink oink there, oink everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here, a neigh there, neigh everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here, a baa there, baa everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo and a cluck cluck and a root and a quack quack Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.